Guys, you are watching Vijay's Classroom. As you know, TCS Elevate Wings One program is being happen to contact the Ninja to Digital. So we are conducting this session to Technical Track 12 Selenium. So previous year questions and important question answers. So let's discuss with the previous year question. So in the previous video, we are also discussing about the some of the questions. So now we are discussing in the web driver which of the command can be used to enter value in the text boxes. So web driver we are inserting some value into the text boxes. So what is the which method we can use? So Selenium type send key bracketed text and driver does type bracketed text. So that send key in the first bracket and in the colon text. So it is used to enter the values in the text box in the web driver. So the second question, which method can we close open browser in the web driver? So quiet, terminate, close, shutdown. So the four option. So here quiet and close a little bit very much similar. So quiet is closed all the open browser, in close only the open browser is being closed. So from here only the close the open browser. So the option is correct option is close. But if you here all the open browser is being closed, so all the open browser is being closed using quiet method. Browser closed. So the next question is the expression is used for anything. So which expression used for anything in the Selenium? So dot star 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 plus star dot. So dot star is used for all anything in the Selenium. So this the fourth question. The WebDriver is used for to execute a test in the HTML unit browser, to design a test, to quickly create web test. So Selenium is used for to execute test on the HTML unit browser. So number 5. So which of the class of a Selenium? So say what is a class? So web driver web element web driver get page sources. So web driver wait is a class. So this is a class of a Selenium. Web element and web driver, this is the two interfaces of the Selenium, and get page sources is a method. So WebDriver Wait is a class. So correct answer is WebDriver Wait. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye.